Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your go-to channel for fun, easy, and smart ways to learn French and other foreign languages. Today's lesson is all about the French verb acquérir, which means to acquire in English. It's a useful verb that you'll hear in both everyday and formal French. Let's break it down step by step and make it super easy for you to understand and use. The verb acquérir in French means to acquire, to gain, or to obtain something, like knowledge, a skill, or even a property. For example, j'ai acquis beaucoup de connaissances. I have acquired a lot of knowledge. Let's look at how to conjugate acquérir in the present tense. It's an irregular verb, so the forms may seem tricky at first, but don't worry, we'll go slow. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation. J'acquiers, tu acquiers, il acquiert. Now let's use acquérir in some real-life examples that you might relate to. J'acquiers de l'expérience chaque jour au travail. I acquire experience every day at work. Les étudiants acquièrent des compétences importantes à l'école. Students acquire important skills at school. Nous acquérons une nouvelle maison cette année. We are acquiring a new house this year. Tip: use acquérir when talking about gaining something valuable or meaningful, like knowledge, experience, skills, or property. The past participle of acquérir is acquis. Elle a acquis une bonne réputation. She has acquired a good reputation. Acquise is also used as a noun in French, meaning an achievement or something gained. Bravo! Now you know how to use the verb acquérir with confidence. Keep practicing and you'll acquire fluency in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language, for more easy and practical lessons like this. Please like, share, and help others learn too. And make sure to check the video description below for a special discounted collection of the best French learning books and dictionaries, our top-rated French communicative course, a self-guidance e-guide specially designed for CBSE and ICSE school students. Plus, you'll find contact details if you have any questions. Merci et à bientôt.